A lot of us are realizing there's added stress working from home. Maybe some pain is creeping in from sitting at your home desk all day. Today we are joined by Dr. Derrell Blackburn, Senior Manager of Chiropractic Relations and Training with the Joint Chiropractic. Good to see you. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for having me.
Chiropractic care is an important healthcare option for many. Tell us why it's essential.
What they've considered essential is any business that actually supports the health and wellness of our community or health and safety of our community. And that's exactly what chiropractic does. We support the health, wellness, and safety of our community. And it's been awesome to see the readiness and willingness of all of my colleagues, as well as the associations that have also stated why we're essential. So that is why.
Well, during this time, what precautions are in place to keep staff and patients safe?
Naturally, as a healthcare profession, we've always kept the cleanliness of the practices extremely high on our priority list. But currently, we are doubling down on what that looks like in our offices. Along with following the CDC guidelines and the procedures and protocols for how these essential businesses need to be operating, we're also implementing all of these social distancing. We're assuring that all of the reception area chairs are 6 feet apart. We're not allowing multiple people back in the open bay adjusting area. Only one at a time at this point. Usually we have multiple people back there. And we're also asking all of our patients that if there was anybody that was going to naturally or normally accompany them with their visits, that they just come alone at this time, because again, we're trying to reduce the number of people in there at one time, as well as just trying to implement all of those normal safety procedures, including increased screenings, assuring that nobody has any type of presumed cases involved in any of this stuff. But we're just doing whatever we can to keep the place as clean as possible and follow the CDC guidelines.
With everything going on right now, why is chiropractic an important service to continue to offer?
As a natural healthcare profession, chiropractic actually naturally promotes our body's ability to cope or adapt with internal or external stresses. And right now is very unique in the sense that probably globally, we're all experiencing a little different stresses right now that we probably never experienced before. And what chiropractic does is we work with the spine and we work with the joints to assure that our body is nourishing the brain as much as possible and allowing us to adapt to all of those stresses. More importantly, to keep some of these musculoskeletal issues out of these urgent cares or out of these places that are flooded with worry right now and uncertainty. So we're just doing our best to play our role in the healthcare field and make sure that people know that we're here to serve them.
Well, a lot of us are working from home right now, probably spending way too much time sitting at a desk. So do you have any tips for people on how to keep the spine healthy while working from home?
Spine specifically, we want to make sure that we're getting up and we're moving well as often as possible. Doing some stretches, doing some potentially some yoga poses, different things like that. And even if we forget sometimes, try to set an alarm. Try to set an alarm for every 15, 20, 30 minutes just to remind us.
Overall, for patients that do visit a location, what does the Joint offer?
Affordable, accessible, high-quality chiropractic care from a licensed healthcare professional. We offer support, and we're going to be offering people hope, because right now there's a lot of people who may be living through these uncertain times and experiencing stress that is extremely abnormal, and it could be manifesting in their body a little bit differently. We want to just let people know that we're there for them, to support those pains, to support those aches, and move them on a path to wellness, to assure that we're there for them now, but even coming out of all this, that we're going to be there as their healthcare professional and a part of their healthcare team.
For more information, visit thejoint.com/Phoenix.